Hey guys, it's Raz, and it's occurred to me that I have never really tried to make YouTube videos actually helpful to fans of the VTuber community. So here we are. In this video, I'll be sharing how you can be a VTuber in 5 easy steps. And these steps are the same ones that I had to painstakingly research and experience whenever I had the idea to revamp my channel oh so long ago. Just know that you will need some sort of microphone and a webcam for the later steps, but with that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
Step 1. Download Steam.
If you haven't done this already, this is crucial. If you don't have the Steam software on your PC right this moment, you need to download it because it will be needed for step 2. So you just need to go ahead and go to Google, look up Steam, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be the first thing that pops up. There we go. And then you just click on Welcome to Steam and install Steam. Okay, we need to do this because step 2, well, and we need to download some software, and there is some software in Steam that will be very beneficial for you guys. So go ahead and do that right now. I'll wait.
Step 2. Download VTubing Studio.
Okay, so now you have Steam downloaded on your computer, which means that you can now search for the software VTubing Studio. So let's go ahead and do that. VTubing Studio. Boom, it's free. So click on that. Let's pause the video, and right here, I mean, I already have it downloaded, but if for those of you that don't, go ahead and just tap on, it should say download for you guys, so go ahead and do that, and then we'll move on to step 3. All right, we're getting the show on the road.
Step 3. Make your avatar.
Okay, so now comes the fun part. All you gotta do is just make your avatar on VTubing Studio. And just so you know, this will be a 3-dimensional avatar, okay? This isn't PNG because I found out that I am not capable of drawing nor have the funds to shell out thousands of dollars for professional artists to make my model, okay? So I made Raz by myself. Believe me, there was a lot of trial and error, but let's go ahead and get back to this. You can choose your body types. You can choose between a feminine body type or a masculine body type, okay? Then we have to wait for things to load because things are not instant in this world. There we go. Now, this is the screen that you'll probably have to get used to whenever you start creating your avatar. If you hold down, like the right click, you can go ahead and just move your avatar around, just inspect it so that way you can have it. You can view it from all angles just like this. And if you take a look at the left hand side right here in this pane, you can go ahead and choose different face sets because VTubing actually came out with hundreds of more like presets that you can go ahead and like get from. So let's go ahead and just take a look at some. I'm gonna go ahead and like choose this guy. This guy is a little concerned, right? And dizzy. And apart from that, you can also fix their eyes if you want. You can go ahead and have their irises be a certain color. You can mess with their eyebrows. You can mess with their mouth. You can change their hairstyle. You can even change their body type if you kind of regretted that. And you can even like change their outfits. They have pre-made outfits for you. So this is the fun part. You are going to have a lot of fun doing this. And believe me, there's going to be a lot of trial and error because my model, the one that you see, this one, hello, hi, how are you? It took a long time of a lot of trial and error to get to where I am now, but you know, don't be discouraged. Okay, your first avatar isn't going to come out quite the way that you envisioned, so just keep on trying. Okay, keep on looking for new things. Keep on updating yourself with the latest updates on VTubing, so that way you can see how that new hairstyle fits your avatar. Okay, because remember, this is the fun part after all, so let yourself loose. And whatever you decide to create, just be sure to save them. Okay, so you see right here that little upload button. You're going to go ahead and save right here on the left hand side, save, and then you're going to go ahead and upload your avatar to the VTubing hub. Okay, because that is where on the next step you're going to be able to choose what avatar you will be broadcasting with. Okay, so super important, save your work always. even if it's just a little change, I would recommend to always save after any change that you make. Okay, treat this like any Adobe product you've ever messed with, and then click on upload to Vroid Hub. All right, because that's the thing, you're gonna have to go ahead and create a Vroid Hub account whenever you're done. If you obviously this is your first time, so just create a I would suggest making an email that's just dedicated to your hobbies, okay? And then just an easy to remember password, just so that way everything can be kept in a great place, in the same place. And yeah, that's it.
Step 4. Download VMagic Mirror.
Yep, you gotta download something else. Now, this is what you will be using to pour life into your Vroid model, okay? And if it's your first time, you have to go ahead and do this. You're gonna download VMagic Mirror. You have to type in VMagic Mirror. Boom. Go ahead and try to find this one that says GitHub Pages. Click on VMagic Mirror, scroll down, and you have two options. Now, since if this is your first time, I would recommend to try and download the free standard edition because it's free. Okay, capital F, capital R, capital E, and just mess with it and see if that's like the right broadcasting Vroid mechanism for you. Okay, because I know there are tons of other programs out there, but this is the one that actually worked for me. And if you end up liking it, you can go ahead and shell out your good boy points, your good girl points, your good noodle points, your good noodle bucks, and you can go ahead and pay like the $14 for the full edition. Now that's the one that I have, but obviously, like I said, it's trial and error with this type of stuff, and this ended up being like the program that really worked well for what I wanted to do with my VRM avatar. Okay, but once you have it downloaded, you're gonna have to go ahead and open it up. And then you're going to be presented this screen. Okay, now this screen, it might be different for you because I do have the full edition and this is the latest version for right now, the time that I'm streaming this. But you're going to have to go ahead and do this. You're going to go home and it might prompt you to either load an avatar from your Vroid Hub, the one that you were messing with earlier, or load a VRM file from your PC. Okay, now I would highly suggest for you to actually download your Vroid avatar from the Vroid Hub, get that VRM file, and save it in a special folder in a safe place on your PC. The only reason why is because VMagic Mirror has been buggy just a little bit, like once every blue moon it just doesn't connect to the Vroid Hub, and those blue moons happen to be the nights that I stream. So instead of just pulling my hair out and freaking out, I decided to just load my local VRM file for my avatar from my PC, and everything has been working great. Okay, that's how I've been streaming well ever since. So yeah, this is me. Hello, yeah, local Raz right here. Now once you are done doing that, you can go ahead and mess with these settings. If you want more information from VMagic Mirror or how to navigate it without, having to rely on yourself that much, you can go ahead and just be patient because I'll be covering that in later videos. But if you want to go ahead and mess with the lip sync, make sure to have your microphone tied in. If you want to go ahead and do the face tracking, so that way your head movement can actually be mimicked by your avatar, make sure that you pick the right camera and make sure to be in a well-lit environment. Okay, since I'm here, I guess I can go ahead and show you guys, if you all do want to have devices appearing for your avatar to kind of interact with, you make sure that you have that toggled under view right here. And I usually have my keyboard and pad showing just because I play League of Legends and World of Warcraft Classic, and I just think it's a little bit more fun for my avatar to be actually, just as crazy, random, and sporadic as how I am right now. Okay, but like I said, that'll be shown in a later video. But yeah, so there is one more step. So be patient. We're almost there. We're almost up to step 5. And you may or may not hate me for it. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out, shall we?
Step YouTube videos. Is that it? You know, you're not paying me enough to do this, you know?
What? I'm not paying you at all. What are you talking about? Okay, we're at the final step, and some of you probably won't like what I'm about to say, but you gotta do more research. There is a whole thriving community of animators and manga artists on YouTube that will gladly help with your next vroid project. And that's what I did, which is how I went from my first model. Oh, hey guys, hi, I'm Raz. To where I'm at now. Oh, hey, I'm Raz. But better. And if you like how I got to look more two-dimensional, I suggest checking out, well, I'll go ahead and just type it on the screen because I might not be doing their name justice, okay? It's Buwakuda. There you go. Bawakuda, maybe? I don't know. But they are the whole reason why I ended up changing from OG Raz to new Raz. And I would suggest, if you all do like the 2D animation style, check out their video on cell shading and vroid for beginners. She did amazing with just breaking it down and making it super just I don't know, just super like user friendly to understand how animation works and like how to make your 3D vroid look like a 2D VTuber character. So it's just, I don't know, it's just cool. So I would recommend them. Buwakuda, if you're watching this later, hey, thanks for all the help. I really appreciate you. And that's it. Of course, there are plenty of things that I didn't touch on, like making your lore or how to live stream using your avatar, but those will be later videos coming soon. So stay tuned and take care, guys. Until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye. Later. Bye.
Alright, make sure to check out Raz the VTuber only on YouTube. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to know when he's posting, turn on that notification bell. Alright, bye!